Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React and the Supabase. In this video, we are going to learn about how to delete the images from the Supabase Storage Bucket. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that we have uploaded the image that is lifespan events, and this is Rajnikant 06345 images. So if I go over here and go to my storage, and here we go with our bucket. So here we have this 4 5 image. I think the lifespan events is there, right? So image is there. I want to delete this image. How I'm going to do that? Let's have a look. So there is a delete image, so I'm going to unlink it. So delete one, file delete successfully, and it's deleted. Let's check the bucket, it's there. Now we have to reload it. Image is not there, only one image is there, right? Only one image is there, another one is deleted. So how we are going to achieve in our React and the only React and the Supabase? Let's dive into the code level. Okay, so the upload images already we have discussed. The Supabase client we have already discussed. So this is, you can see, about the extension of the video of how to upload the images with the Supabase. So this is our client part, client.js, Supabase URL, Supabase key, anon key. How to get it? You have to go with our project settings. You will get everything. API. So we have the project URL, we have a Supabase URL, so everything is there. So just copy and use it. Okay, right? This is your anon key. Got it? Next we go with our file upload main file. Okay, so where we have our delete function. So here we go with our states by default: file uploading, file URL and file path, handle file change event, set the file path, handle upload, set uploading. Okay, please select a file. So when I select the file, let's try to upload into my bucket. Okay, so get the public URL, file path. Okay, after this, set the file URL in the public, and done. After that, we have a delete part. Okay, so delete. So first of all, we have to select the file. If the file path is not there, not that no file to delete, then await Supabase.storage from remove. So this is a function that is remove, and the file path you have to make it. Okay, set the file URL, file everything empty, and the file deleted successfully. So make sure this is the code, that is Supabase.storage remove file path array. Okay, error delete. If something went wrong, it will go with the error deleting the file path. And let's check the delete path. Hand button on click, delete image. So handle delete image. So here we have, and we have to check the file path. But wherever we have set the file path, here you can see we have set the file path. Okay, so whatever file path we have set, we have to unlink that or delete that one. So very easy, very simple. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.